it gets the better of me sometimes. When you and I collide, I fall into an ocean of you. Pull me out in time, don't let me drown. Let me down, I say it's all because of you. And here I go, losing my control. I'm practicing your name so I can say it to your face. It doesn't seem right to look you in the eye and let all the things you mean to me come tumbling out my mouth. Indeed, it's time telling you why I say it's infinitely true. So much doubt, it makes me so tired. I feel so uninspired. My head is battling with my heart. My logic has been torn apart, and I